Hi, nieces and nephews. It's Auntie. Yes, well, of course you know it's me because I'm Auntie and I'm right here. Okay, but welcome to my channel and welcome back. Well, really, welcome back. Okay. So anyway, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. You're gonna have to have your pen and your paper ready because Christmas is Monday, right? So over these next 2 days, I'm going to be churning out because I'm getting ready for Christmas as well. So I'm going to be doing the gingerbread waffles, so you can have these delights on your table as well. I'll be turning out some tea cakes. Yes, my grandmother's recipe for Southern tea cakes. She didn't do all that hoopla or whatever they do now. I'm just going with the simple, basic tea cakes, old-fashioned tea cakes. Now, my grandmother was born in 1917, so you know it was the way she was taught and the way she taught me. Okay, so that'll be tea cakes. And I'll be doing, changing things up with Christmas dinner. So I'll be doing a herb crusted roast beef, or whatever they call it, roast round, whatever. It's like this, it's not like that. I'm not a doggone butcher. Okay, I know when I see it on the wrapper on the right and or whatever. So just hold tight, and I'll be doing the butter cake. The butter cake that you can get in Maggiano's. Yes, I know how to make that. So I will be churning out that and a squash casserole, not your traditional squash casserole with the cheese and all that. It's on my channel as well, but this is a very old recipe. It's my husband's grandmother's recipe, and that's the only one he eats, and I have tasted it and it is really good. I just can't digest it. So those are my next uploads to wrap up my Christmas series of trying to help people get ready for the holidays. And and after Christmas, I'll be moving on to get you ready for the New Year. Outside of collard greens and black eyed peas. Hokey dokey. So just stay tuned. Again, it'll be squash casserole, herb crusted roast, tea cakes, gingerbread waffles, and the butter cake. Yes, the butter cake that you have to pay $9.99 for at Maggiano's. Okay. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.